Now it's time to learn how to set up Facebook ads from the technical side. But first, let's look at the Facebook environment. You can use Facebook as a social network. Already about 2 billion people around the world create personal profiles, sharing their photos, liking kitties, and commenting posts. Also, you can use Facebook to promote your business. More than 200 million companies launch advertising campaigns, engaging customers, and promote their products and services. And there are specific ecosystems for these areas. A personal profile is for personal use, and business manager is for doing business. It's like home and work. At home you rest, and in the office you work. Everything related to business on Facebook is done with Facebook Business Manager. Let's understand what a business manager is. A business manager is a kind of environment where everything related to business happens. Here is an image of a house. Inside it you have rooms: kitchen, bedroom, living room, and each room is used for something. In the kitchen we cook, in the bedroom we sleep, you know what I mean. Now, imagine the business manager is a house. There are so-called rooms in it, and each room is used for something. There's the Ads Manager section where we set up ads, the Facebook business page section which is used for broadcasting our ads, and many other sections that perform different functions. But they are still in the same house, one business manager environment. Beginners are often confused about the structure and can't differentiate business manager from ads manager. They think ads can be set up and run in Facebook Business Manager, but that's not true. The ad campaign is set up directly in Ads Manager. Let's understand the Facebook Business Manager tools. In the Facebook Business Manager environment, there are 3 of the most important tools that we will look in detail in this course. These are Ads Manager, Facebook Business Page, and Instagram Business Account. There are many other tools in Business Manager, but I'm not talking about them right now, not to confuse you. Your key task now is to understand that Facebook has a business environment. It's Business Manager, and it has its own tools, which are Ads Manager, Facebook Business Page, and Instagram Business Account. We also have a personal Facebook profile, where you chat, share your photos, and like your friends' posts. This is your personal page, and it takes no part in your promotional activities. But it is needed to create the Business Manager. So let's sum up what I said. We have a personal profile. We need a personal profile to create a Facebook Business Manager. After that, all advertising work happens in Facebook Business Manager. We need a business manager to create and use tools like Ads Manager, Business Page, Instagram Business Account, and others. Don't worry, at this stage all beginners get confused. We'll go through each tool one by one, and you'll figure it all out for sure. It's like studying theory. It's always boring and unclear, but when you start practicing, all this becomes clear. Let's now explain all the elements in this diagram in sequence. We figure out what a personal page is. This is your Facebook page with your cats on it. We'll need it to create the Facebook Business Manager. So, before you go on to create a business page, you need to have a personal Facebook profile. I hope you already have a personal Facebook account like the other 2 billion people. We've talked about Business Manager so many times already, let's finally create it and see what it looks like on Facebook. Business Manager is at business.facebook.com/settings. You'll have the active link below this video. Click on that link. Remember that without a personal profile, we can't create a business manager. So we log in or create a new personal profile. I already have a personal profile, so I log into it. I click Login with Facebook. In the next window, I enter my Facebook account username and password. Now, when you are logged in or created Facebook account, go back into Business Manager at business.facebook.com/settings and click Create an account. In the window that opens, fill in the data: the name of your business, your name, and your email. Remember that our goal now is to understand the algorithm of launching ads. Now we are not going to sing through the business, the company name, logos, banners, and headlines. It's all ready-made and you can use it. For example, we are going to create a service ad for a dental clinic. I chose this niche because it is clear to everyone. Let's say my clinic is called Sunny Smile, but you can call it something else like Family Dental, Dental Care, or Dental Studio. It doesn't matter right now. I chose Sunny Smile and you can choose that name too. Now complete the fields. The name of my Sunny Smile account, then your name, which by the way will be automatically substituted as your personal profile name, and your work email. Be ready that you will receive a confirmation email from Facebook to this email address. And then click Submit. Now my business manager with the name Sunny Smile has been created. Facebook has sent a confirmation email to my inbox, which I just entered. So let's go to the inbox. Find the email from Facebook and click Confirm in the letter itself. Done! Our business manager has been created. Now we can create business page, advertising accounts, and use other advertising tools in it. Let me just remind you that the business manager is located at business.facebook.com/settings. Very often after creating a business manager, people can't find where it is. Don't worry, Facebook is like a labyrinth, rather confusing, so it's really easy to get lost in it. Let's take a look at how else you can get into Business Manager. Go to google.com and type Business Manager in the search field. Follow the first link that Google gives you. That will take you to Facebook Business Manager too. I recommend adding Business Manager link to your browser bookmarks, so you can easily get to it. See you in the next video.